Hi, today I want to make a video about helping you how to avoid wearing your face mask wrongly. So if you take the face mask and you wear it like this or like this, you are actually not protecting yourself because there is no seal. Even if you wear it like this, there is no seal from here, there is no seal from here. Polluted air can go freely in and out from these two sides. So what you should do, firstly, is to wash your hand or sanitize your hands. And then you take a face mask, press it against your nose bridge. Then you put it down below your chin, below your lower jaw. And then you hook the ear hook over here. And lastly, you use your clean hands, not your dirty hands, to press against the face mask, creating a seal. So, for some people, with especially those ladies with smaller face or younger kids, where with current situation, you have trouble finding the appropriate size kids mask, there's a tip what you can do. Do not do this. Don't do this because you'll be violating the seal over here and over here. So don't do this. What you should do, if you feel your mask is actually loose, so what you can do is take the mask and at the ear hook or ear loop, you tie a small knot over here at the end. Don't make it too deep because this will break the ear loop at these areas. So just tie a knot at the end and then do the same steps as before. Sanitize or wash your hands properly. Put it against your nose bridge. Go below your chin, your lower jaw. Put it up. Press it against your face. How do you know you have gotten a tight seal? Is by looking at the mask. When you speak and when you breathe, the face mask actually goes up and down along with it. That's how you got to know you have gotten a good seal and you are protected. Stay safe, people.